Good morning from Almaty. We are at the airport. Megan is back.
Hello.
Megan is not doing well this morning, and
guys, I'm tired.
neither am I.
I'm tired.
We're very tired, and this is the Almaty International Airport. It's actually quite vibey, but we are going to check in now to our flight with Air Astana. We kind of already checked in, but we still need to present ourselves to the check-in desk and get our boarding passes, drop our bags. So let's do that, shall we, Megan? And try not to die.
I'll feel better when I have kind of a coffee in my face.
Yeah, coffee is much needed. But it looks like a very good airport, and again it says Nauris down there, which probably means welcome or something, or who knows. Anyway, let's get inside. It's a very pleasant airport actually. Here they wrap your bags, and our check-in count is 18 to 25 today. The energy so far is kind of low, I would say, isn't it, Megan?
Energy?
Yeah.
No comment.
It doesn't look crazy busy. It looks a little bit busy, but not too bad. So I think we'll be fine. We have 2 hours until our flight, which is actually not too bad for us. Well, sadly not business class or priority check-in. We're with the normal folks today. So then, through security and through passport control, it was very, very intense actually. They didn't care on the way in. On the way out, they literally took a magnifier and they started looking with a light at all my stamps and all my, all the official government things on the passport. So that was not very fun, but we're through, and now we're here having some coffee and some sandwiches. And we are still very tired. Hopefully this will perk us up, and then we'll get on our flight with Air Astana, gonna board and see what that is like. It should be good. It should be an A321, so modern plane. It should be nice seats, maybe a display like a TV, charging ports. At least that's what I expect. Lots of legroom. Let's see if it's like that. I heard a lot of good things about Air Astana. Let's see if it lives up. Look at how cool this airport is. And the 300 gates are downstairs, so we have to go on this little escalator, and that looks a little more chaotic sadly. But at least we may get the whole road to ourselves.
Please, I'm crossing everything. I really hope we do.
We beg. We absolutely beg. Yeah, so this is what it looks like downstairs. Still not too bad, honestly. Pretty decent. This is actually the gate to Frankfurt. Oh, that's good.
No air bridge for us.
No air bridge. We are down by the bus gate. It's pretty efficient, as you would expect for a Germany flight. There is a very orderly line, and it's actually moving quite quickly. There's the bus that will take us to the airplane. That's at least the first load of passengers. And then we're gonna get on the Air Astana A321 to Frankfurt. So stay tuned. We look very tired.
We feel very tired.
Because we are. So
this could be 6 AM by the way.
Yeah, the other alternative would have been a Pegasus flight through Istanbul at 6 in the morning, and that would have killed us even more. At least it's 11.
Say hello.
Hello. How are you?
Thank you. How about you?
Very good, thank you.
Enjoy flight.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Well, at least they're very nice here. This is the bus that will take us to the plane. Luckily it's not too cold today, because if that was a few days ago it would have been horrendous. How was your check-in experience? All good?
Yes, all fine.
And there it is, the Air Astana A321. That will take us to Frankfurt. Looks pretty nice from the outside. Livery's kind of clean. Yeah, let's hope the middle seat is empty, because otherwise we will not survive this, I don't think.
It's gonna be rough if not.
We need the space. We absolutely need it. Well, sorry.
Yes, I am.
do it.
Now I'm here. Now we've made it.
Yeah. Now I can just relax and lock in.
Lock in.
Lock in.
Oh, I know.
Are we lucky? No. Well, we did not get lucky. Seat. What do you think?
It is not bad. It's kind
Yeah.
of roomy with
Yeah, it's leg space.
with the leg space.
Pillow. It's actually not too bad. The screen, USB outlet. So yeah, all right. Gonna catch you when we take off. Megan's gonna show what's in the amenity kit, which is very interesting for economy class seat.
Also, I commented to Rick Adrift that I will use this even just in ordinary life.
As a makeup bag, huh? Yeah.
Powder
so what's in
and
there?
lipsticks. So I will definitely be reusing. There's some socks.
We got socks.
Very green.
Christmas socks.
Christmas socks to match my red face.
Yes.
We have
It's an eye mask.
a pillow.
Oh, it's one of those neck pillows.
Yeah, you blow it with your. Here we are.
Cool. Perfect.
There we go. I'm folding and refolding as I go an eye mask.
Cool.
Which will get used actually.
For sure.
We have some
Earplugs. Those are always needed.
They're always fun to play with. I
For
feel.
sure.
What's this? What's this, boys and girls?
Well done, Megan. There's a toothbrush and probably toothpaste in it. Okay, not too bad.
I'm not feeling too. Oh, maybe I am.
Okay. Well, decided.
One more thing.
Oh.
Best to last.
Oh, that's actually cool.
An Air Astana
Branded.
pen.
All right.
There we go.
Well done.
Thank you. I hope you all
like
enjoyed
that.
that.
Well, they did come around once with an apple juice and a wine, which we've already consumed. And there's also nuts. Hold on. There we go. That was like the first time they came around. Second time will be the meal, which I think is a choice of poultry and Georgian beef. And carcass sole, was it? Something vegetarian as well.
I'm actually having quite a nice time.
Yeah, we got these pillows and blankets. It's quite nice. We're currently over Kazakhstan still. Obviously, it's a huge country. But yeah, not bad. The color scheme is very Megan, very pink. She loves pink. I'm joking. Yeah, not her color. But yeah, that's the situation out the window. Very dry and desolate. What did you go for?
I went for the Georgian chicken with couscous, bread roll with I think camembert,
Yeah.
beetroot salad, and I'm not sure what this is.
Cool. I think it's pistachio mousse.
Oh, okay, nice.
Here we go, the same, but poultry capsa with raisins and spices and rice. Don't ask me where I got this from. Close to landing now.
After 8 hours on a plane, and this is the angle you choose to show the world. The things I do for Rick Adrift. It's unbelievable, guys.
They came around with sandwiches as well later.
Yeah, they did.
Megan did not rate the sandwich very high.
No, I mean, I think that's a me problem, not a sandwich problem.
Yeah.
I think I'm just quite picky. Or I have high standards. The wine was good.
We had like, what, 3 glasses?
3 glasses of wine.
3 glasses of wine each? Yeah, and we could have had more.
Bringing out all the great angles I see.
No, that's the thumbnail, by the way.
Please, no. Thank you.
Thank you, bye-bye. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Well, a compliment to end the day, Megan.
I know, well actually another air hostess said it on the way in too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, that's really nice of them. To be fair, the staff, the cabin crew was amazing. And yeah, it was fairly clean in the bathrooms. Now we're in Frankfurt airport. We'll be going through security and several names because Megan's British.
I know.
It took a while, but Megan's through security or passport control, and we got our cases. The cases were painful, weren't they?
Yeah.
It takes so long for them to come through.
Odd system.
Yeah, so it's a very short baggage belt, and every time, you know, there's no space for new cases, like let's say these 3, the new ones just won't come through. And because so many people were still in, you know, in the passport queue, essentially nothing got picked up and everything got stuck. So that's essentially what happened, which isn't
That's
great.
great.
No. But I think with this we're going to end the video because we're very tired. Megan's going to go to her hotel here in Frankfurt, and we're going to have dinner probably. But I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, please subscribe, and we're going to return to Kazakhstan hopefully at some point.
I hope so. I hope so. I'd love that.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.